Good morning and welcome back to our vlogs Vision Wild. Today we are going to one of the lake in the Germany and see if we can find some water birds. The weather is like again it's cloudy, it's already summer but still is weather is not that good. But I think we will get some dramatic pictures like in this weather. So we will see like what kind of water birds we will see, and if we are lucky maybe we will see some deers. So let's see how it goes. Let's buy something to eat before we leave. Yeah. So finally we have reached here, and there are like two lakes. One is small and one is a little bit bigger. I just checked at the small lake, but there is no any activity. So I'm going to check like on the big lake, and we'll see if we can find some birds there. So here you can see this is like one of the hut for the hunting, and the hunter used this for hunting the deer or the wild pigs. But I just found, so you can see that there is like so much shit of the deer, so that means in this area there are many deers, and I think it was from yesterday night, so might be they come here to rest or something. So let's see if we find some deer. It's been an hour now, but I couldn't find anything yet, and it's a little bit getting hot, like it's very moist. So yeah. Now let's rest a little bit and enjoy some snacks. You can see behind me there is very beautiful flowers. It's red flowers, lavender, blue, and it looks really good. Nice. Now it's getting really hot, and sadly today there was no any birds, so this is like the whole photography hobby, and you never know like what kind of birds you will see or not. But yeah, overall it was a nice day. Got some really cool pictures of some insects and also some lizards, so it was okay. But sadly no birds or deer, but overall it was really nice day. I hope you will like the video, and if you like the video and if you want to see more content, and if you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment, and please like and subscribe this channel. See you again in the next vlog.